Model, 2015 Transit Connect E240 Limited. Very low 62 km spares OR repairs. Body, black. Panel van mileage, 62,995. Engine, 1,560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs coolant is presurising. Head gasket needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Nice LWB Black Limited Connect with roof rack features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £10,450. Click the link